I'm Honeymoon, and this is Hungry Happy Hippie. Today we are going to be making my favorite apple cinnamon muffins to match the warm and cozy sweetness that is sweater weather. So grab your favorite sweater, tag me, I want to see what it is, and let's get started. Don't forget your tea though. Cheers, groovy goodies. I love making these on like a Sunday morning or a Saturday afternoon for tea time. Tea time is such a good, do I have flour in my face now? Probably, oh well. One of my favorite things is to have tea time, where you have your favorite tea and just some pastries or little cookies and desserts. It's just so tasty and just such a classy way to have a nice conversation over warm tea and delicious warm goodies. Wrap yourself up in a blanket, get the fire on, romance. I love cane sugar, it just looks like glitter. Next, you're going to need your teaspoon. We are going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder into our flour. Flour power. Make sure it is nice and leveled off. And next is our cinnamon. Cinnamon is what makes this warm and brings those flavors together. Like cinnamon is just heat. It's a sweet heat. It's the type of heat that you want to have on like a cozy winter day. Also, one of my favorite things to put cinnamon in besides muffins and cookies is putting in a nice tall glass of hot cocoa. So if you're feeling a little festive and want to try something different with your hot beverages this winter, put in a dash of cinnamon into your hot chocolate and thank me later. And then guys, I'm just gonna add a crack of Himalayan salt to help bring out the sweetness of those muffins. So just grab a whisk and whisk these ingredients together. So next, going to combine our wet ingredients. We need 1 egg. And then we're also going to add 2/3 of whole milk. And we're using whole milk today because I want full fat for a super moist muffin. We're going to whisk this together on this side. Just to help get it extra moist and sweet. And next we're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. That smells so good. Look at that beautiful cup of brown sugar. And I'm not talking about me.